So next we are going to do arrange in ascending order. Ascending order, as you all know, it's from arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. So let's start. In the first part, I'm doing the second part here. Here, all the numbers have different number of digits. For example, this number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So just write down 7 on top. This number has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So just write down 8 on top. This is an 8-digit number. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits again. And this one has only 3 digits. So, which is the smallest number? Naturally, the one with the 3 digits, that is 756. So, first let us write down 756. Next, you have two numbers with 7 digits. So, let us compare them. This is 13,95,264. This is 62,39,826. So, which is smaller? 13 lakh. Just cross it out and write down here 13,95,264. Next is 62,39,826. Next is the remaining, that is the 8-digit number, 1,48,23,295. Alright, so this is how ascending order goes from smallest to biggest. Now let's do the next one. In the next example that I have taken, this is again an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-digit number. Okay, see the digits are all same, 4 and zeros, only 4 and zeros are used. So this can be very confusing. So just write down the number of digits. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits again. Now let's see the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So at least one number we can cross out quickly because it is only up to lakhs. It is 44,44,444. So which is the smallest, because rest all are going up to 8 digits and this is only a 7-digit number. So let's cross it out and write down 44,44,444. Now the remaining 3 are 8-digit numbers. So let's start comparing them. 4 crores, 4 crores, 4 crores. Next is, sorry for that. Next is 44 lakh, 44 lakh, 44 lakh. All have 4 crore, 44 lakh. Let's see the thousands. 4 crore, 44 lakh, 44,000. This is also 4 crore, 44 lakh, 44,000. This is also 44,000. Now let's move on to the hundreds. This is 404. This is 440. And this is 44. So here you have 400. Here also you have 400. Here you don't have any hundreds. So which means this is the smallest out of the 3. All have 4 crore, 44 lakh, 44,000. But this one doesn't have any 400s. This one also has 400. This one also has 400. So this is the smallest. So let's cross it out and write it down. 4 crore, 44 lakh, 44,000 and 44. Next you have 4 crore, 44 lakh, 44,404. And here you have 4 crore, 44 lakh, 44,440. So which is smaller? This one or this one? The entire number up till thousands is same. Here you have 404, here you have 440. So which is smaller? Naturally 404. So let's just cut it out and write down here 4 crore, 44 lakh, 44,000 and 404. Okay, 400. And the last one is 4 crore, 44 lakh, 44,440. Okay, understood? Similarly, you will also do descending order. Just write down the number of digits and then arrange them from the biggest to smallest. Understood? I hope it is clear to you. Right? Ascending order, we'll arrange from smallest to biggest. Descending, we'll arrange from biggest to smallest. Write down the number of digits. If you feel the question is very confusing, if it has the same digits repetitively, first write down the number of digits present and then compare. पहले आप number of digits लिख लो. आप easily one or two numbers get sorted out. Then remaining one or two numbers you can compare them very easily. Okay. So let's move on to the next question now, which is based on the place value. Okay. Now we will move on to the next question, which is write in words the place value of the digits in blue. So here I don't have a blue color, so I have just underlined the number for which we have to tell the place value. So the number is given here. What we will do first? First we put the commas. Say the place values and then put the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma. So this is 1 crores 88 lakh 32,000. So this is basically 2,000. So what will you write here? 2,000. Okay, 2,000. This is the place value of 2. What is the place value of 2? 2,000. Okay. Next, in the next number, again we put the commas, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore. So this is basically 1 crore. What we will write? What is the place value of 1? 1 crore. So write down 1 crore. C-R-O-R-E, crore. Okay? Is it easy? Yes? You have been told to write it in words. That's why I am writing it like this. Okay? If you are asked to write in numerals, then you will write down 2,000. That is, if you are asked to write it down in numerals. But in this question, you are not asked to write down the place value in numerals. You are asked to write it in words. That's why I have written it like this. Last one. Again, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakhs, comma, crore. So the number is 3 crores 29 lakh 45,618. What is the place value of 8 here? Correct. It is 8 ones. 8 ones. So this is how you will find out the place value of the numbers, of the digits given in the numbers. That's all for today's session. The homework will be sent to you. Please do it neatly in your note. Thank you.